In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Workspace Admin Console. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe. Let's get right into it. First, let's head to the Google Workspace page. To do this, open your web browser and go to workspace.google.com. This website is the gateway to all of Google's various productivity and collaboration tools. You might already be familiar with programs like Google Docs or Drive, but this is your hub for all Google Workspace services. Once you are on the Google Workspace homepage, your next step is to find and click the link labeled Admin Console. Typically, this will be prominently displayed on the main page, but sometimes websites look a little different across devices, or new updates might shuffle things around. So look around if you have trouble finding it initially. Clicking on this link will lead you directly into the heart of your organization's administrative settings. After clicking on the Admin Console link, you will be directed to the Google Workspace dashboard. This dashboard acts as a central home base where you can navigate to various administrative functions. If it's your first time here, feel free to take a tour. Google usually offers a quick guide to show you the most important parts of this space. The final step in accessing the console involves selecting the dashboard option. On the dashboard, you can see a lot of valuable shortcuts and insights, giving you a glimpse of activities within your organization, manage users, billing info, and various other administrative tasks. It's here that you can start configuring settings to best suit your company's needs. Congratulations! You've now successfully accessed the Google Workspace Admin Console. From here, you can manage all aspects of your organization's Google accounts, such as adding new users, creating custom email aliases, or even changing security settings. Remember to keep your login credentials secure and limit access to the admin console to authorized personnel only. And there we have it, a quick and easy route into the Google Workspace Admin Console. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or designing system settings, having access to the right tools is crucial. With this newfound knowledge, you're well equipped to maintain smooth operations within your organization through Google Workspace. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to click that like button and subscribe for more tech guides and tips. See you in the next video.